If you're studying English, you will have heard about the difficult topic of concord. Concord really just means agreement between the subject in a sentence and the verb. Let's look at the subjects that you typically get. In the singular form, you get I, you, he, she, it, or you could have a name like Joe or Mary. In the plural, you get we, you, and they. All of these subjects, some of them are pronouns and some of them are proper nouns, like the names are proper nouns, the others are pronouns, but they all perform the task of subject when linked with a verb. For instance, I am. Am is the verb to be. I am, but you are, and he is. So concord is knowing that you've got to say I am and you are, not you am. So you can remember this with a song. I'm going to sing it to a very well-known song, which is Do, Re, Mi from the movie or the play, the very classic Sound of Music. When you start at the very beginning, then concord is the place to start. When we write, we begin with A, B, C, A, B, C. Concord is all about I, you, and he. I, you, and he. I is subject for first person. You is subject for second person. He is used for third person. He, she, it, or Joe, or Mary. We is subject for plural first person. You is used for plural second person. They is used for plural third person. And that is the basis of concord.